Hello and happy Thursday. We are on our way to Polly G's to have dinner with my brother and his wife. It was his birthday, got him a card, and his birthday plans changed like 20 times. So yeah, we're gonna go have pizza with him. I got my pizza.
Look at these little dollops.
They are dollops.
That's why it's called dollop heart.
Say hello, Joseph.
Dollop heart.
A bit closer, Sherry.
We're at Charmery. We're gonna get some ice cream. Maybe.
I don't know if I can.
I ate a lot of pizza.
Is this one you posted?
He was taking pictures of her walking out the avenue.
Hello, Skittles. She's like looking at me like, you know, we need to
She's like, what did I try to come down here before?
I got the chocolate coconut ice cream at the Charmery, and it's delicious. They usually have 2 vegan flavors at all times. So outfit of the day, I'm wearing this striped button-up from Marshall's a long time ago. My linen skirt from J. Crew, my little shoes from Loft a long time ago, and then I also have on the purse I got at the estate sale a couple weekends ago. So that's the look, and there's flies freaking everywhere today. It's so annoying. So we just made the Just Peachy from the September shaker and spoon box, and it is delicious. So good. Hello and happy Friday. So yesterday was fun going out for pizza. Today I did a little baking. I made these little apple muffins because my mom gave us a boatload of apples. You can see them there-ish. So I decided to bake some apple muffins, and I haven't had one yet, so I think I'm about to have one. It's kind of like a pre-dinner snack thing. I'm not really hungry for a full dinner just yet, so I'm gonna have a little muffin. I only have a few left actually. I might turn you around. So I made a dozen. I gave 4 to my friend. She did a drive-by after she closed on her house, so that was like her congrats, you are a homeowner type thing. So I gave 4 of them to her. There are 5 left, including the one on my plate. So that means Austin ate 3 of these earlier. He must have been very hungry. He loves when I bake stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this and chill for a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. I've been in a really bakey mood. You know, when fall comes, I just want to bake. So maybe I'll turn the oven on again and bake, but it's like hot today, so maybe not. Hello and happy Saturday. We are on our way to the farmer's market to pick up a couple odds and ends and coffee, of course. Today's gonna be pretty fun because it's Hampdenfest day, so we're going to walk around the street fair and stuff, and maybe we'll watch a band or 2. Who knows? Should be fun. So Joseph and Heather have joined us this morning at the farmer's market. We're gonna grab some food. Yeah. Look how pretty the flowers are. Oh. We're popping into Mom's now. Austin's been a smoothie making machine lately, so we gotta get some more bananas. And then we'll head home and chill for a little bit. We're home, and let me show you what we got. So at the farmer's market, I got some tapenade to go with some bread. We'll get to the bread in a minute. Let's see. Oh, we got a lot at one booth, so they stuck it all in a bag. We got this gorgeous head of broccoli, a couple of these sweet peppers, just to mix it up instead of bell pepper. Oh, dropped those. And then we got a boatload of jalapenos. I think I might make some salsa or something. And then we got some scallions. A mixed box of squash. So it had 2 zucchini and 1 yellow squash. This is our beautiful loaf of sourdough. Gotta show you. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that'll be good with some tapenade. Got a garlic and then 4 ears of corn. So that's everything we got at the farmer's market besides my coffee, obviously. Okay, and then moving on to the stuff we got for moms. We got a bunch of bananas since Austin's been having a smoothie nearly every day. And more peanut butter because he puts that in his smoothie. And dates, he puts those in his smoothie as well. And then we got, of course, his favorite cookies. We cannot walk in that store without him buying his favorite cookies. And we bought some vanilla because I've just been baking more, so I wanted to have more of that because we're just about out. And I got more of this savory tofu because I've had this a couple times this week and I really enjoyed it. It's just a nice, lightly savory flavored tofu that's good to air fry and throw on top of anything else that maybe needs a little bit more protein. I really enjoy this. And then I also, while we were there, checked the bulk section to see if they do baking powder in the bulk section because we're just about out of baking powder, and they do. So by the time I run out of that, I should be heading back to mom's anyway, so I'll take that container with me and stock up on baking powder, which will be good, and I won't use any packaging, which will be nice. So that is everything we got. I think I'm gonna put some of this away and then have some breakfast maybe still. It's like 9:45, I don't know, but I'm hungry. So here's my little brunch. I did my bread with some avocado and the tapenade on top, and then the potato salad I made yesterday with a little Old Bay on top. Looks pretty darn good to me.
I love these bubbles. They're very sweet animals. Baby girl is such a fun cat.
I'm surprised.
Hello, Skittles.
Say hello to your sister.
Skittles.
Get your picture taken.
Hello, Skittles.
Happy figure.
Hello and happy Tuesday. I ordered a whole bunch of pants from Free People and I'm trying them on now. I'm keeping these ones. I almost forgot to film all this. This is kind of fun, so I thought I would. These are a 12 short in the Jules pant, I believe they're called. And look at that booty. Oh my god. They look a little long, but I did try them on with my boots that have like a little block heel and they were perfect. So success number 1. There was another pair I tried on called, what were you called? The Victory Pant Orange in a 31. So gorgeous. Looked fantastic, except see how it's kind of pulling at my thighs a little? Those were stretched. Like, my thighs are just really juicy, so unfortunately those ones did not work on my thighs, even though I'm like really sad and I kind of want to keep them and just lose weight because they're so beautiful. That's how beautiful they are. But yeah, if I get the energy, I'll try those back on, but I still have a bunch to try on because I figured I wouldn't have many success stories, but this one is definitely a win. Here's our next pair. These were called like the Slim Pull-On Velvet. They didn't have like a specific name, at least not on the packaging. They fit more like a legging, and I'm not wild about it, to be completely honest. I wanted something more structured. I feel like they look like leggings. They don't look like pants. I mean, my butt looks good. My butt always looks good. But yeah, I'm not wild about these, to be completely honest. These will probably go back. They feel nice though. Okay, here is the Isabella Pant. And these are not happening. So those are going back too.
Two sweet ones.
I forgot to record trying these ones on. These were the mother denim ones. That's what they're called if you're interested. They didn't have enough booty room. And this particular pair I was sent did have a little bit of damage. So this was like an expensive pair of jeans, like over $200. I don't want a single string out of place for that price. This was like my splurge item. But these are definitely going back. But they were very comfortable and they felt so soft and amazing. So this is kind of a good intro to mother denim. I wouldn't be opposed to trying other things from them for a higher quality denim experience. So those are going back. Here is the next pair. I don't remember what the name of these were. These were the Rita Flair in terracotta. And these are really stretchy. These are also kind of like a legging, which is not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something more structured. But they are quite cute. But to keep them as a lounge pant, they'd be a little overpriced for something like that. But I suppose maybe if I don't end up keeping too many things, maybe we'll think about it. But they are really cute and they're very comfortable. I guess if I wore something oversized to cover like this weird poopa pooching, maybe, but I don't know. And once again, they're not that long. If I wore a boot with them, if I wore them outside, they'd be the perfect length. So these I'm on the fence about. Okay, last two pairs. This is not what the green looked like online, so I'm not bothering with those. And these would not even come up past my thighs. So I wasn't going to show that on camera. You would have got a whole lot of my vagina in your face. So that leaves this one as the maybe, and this one as the definite. But, I mean, I may as well. If I'm literally only keeping like one pair, because I like them a lot. I don't like how they look, but they're so comfortable. I mean, I like the look. I don't like how they are in the crotchal region, but they're really cute.